Alright, so we're going to start on the second shoe here. This is a regular Asics hiking shoe. I got this from a hiker out here. The hiker right here behind this camera. So we'll clean these up real quick. I'm going to leave this one just like this, and I'm going to clean these ones so we can get a side-by-side view and you guys could see the difference. I'm not going to take the laces off these because they're black, so just the cleaner going over it will come off. It's a black shoe, so you're going to see the cleaner get into effect immediately. As you can see, it's already taking the dirt off. And for shoes like this, you don't really need to put that much cleaner in the water. You know, you can be a little conservative with it because, like I said, it is a black shoe, so it's going to get back to its original color. As far as the laces, just go over the top of it. This is a soft brush, so it's not going to fray. You know, usually when you go over laces or any type of soft material, it's going to fray all the time. You're not going to have that problem at all here. So as you can see, I can go as hard as I want. No difference at all. All right. This one's all cleaned up here. You guys can get a little comparison so you can see how good bolt cleaner is. Here we go. Check that out. Side views, back views, and right on top for you. And that's a really great before and after for you guys to see, because you can see the difference. You go on a hike, it's an easy clean right when you get home. You clean them right when you get home so that the shoes aren't sitting with the dirt on them, then it's going to be harder to get it off.